Good morning, student. Today we will learn our new chapter of English 1, chapter 13, verbs, the simple past tense. Simple past tense means an action or activity completed in the past. Children, simple past tense is often used with past time reference. For example, yesterday, 5 hours ago, last summer, last night, last year, or 2 weeks ago. Now, children, we will just recall here tense means, tense means time of action. Tense tell us when an action takes place. I want to repeat it. Tense tell us when an action takes place. Student, there are three types of sentences. Those are present tense, past tense, and future tense. Present tense means something which is happening now or which happens regularly. Past tense means which has already happened. And third, future tense. Future tense means something which will happen soon or in a future. Okay, children. In this chapter, we will learn about the simple past tense. I want to repeat. Simple past tense when we talk about action that happened in the past. For example, brushed, cleaned, played, returned, etc. Here we change verb or action words into past tense by adding ed. Okay. Now we will learn rule 1. The verbs that end in ed or d to indicate in the past are called regular verb. Okay. Now here see the example. We played cricket yesterday. Here verb is played and the base form of the verb played is play. Okay. Rule number 2. If a regular verb ends in e and in e, just add d. For example, they danced well. They danced well. Here verb is danced and the dance is ends with e, so we simply add d to make it in past. Okay. Now next is rule number 3. If regular verb ends in a consonant and y, take off the y and add ied. For example, study. Study will be studied. Copy. Copy will be copied. Carry. Carry will be carried. Fry. Fry. Here y we will remove and we will add ied. So fried. Next is irregular verb. The past tense verbs that do not end in d or ed are called irregular verbs. Okay, always remember the irregular verb, the past tense verb that do not end in d or ed are called irregular verbs. For example, mangoes fell from the tree. Here verbs is fell, the original form of verb is fall. Okay. Let us see some more example for irregular verb. It, at, come, came, run, ran, give, gave, sing, sang, teach, taught. Now, Now we will do some classwork. Check few sentences we have to change in past tense. The lion roared loudly. In the past tense, it will be the lion roared loudly. Okay. Now next is my mother bakes a cake. Children, in the past tense, what will be? Right? We write my mother baked a cake. Okay children, we have completed our chapter 13 verbs, the simple past tense. Hope you understood this chapter. Now I am going to give you your classwork. Your classwork is question number A. Look at the picture and complete the passage. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.